In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Semrush. If you're looking to tidy up your workspace, or simply make sure that defunct projects are no longer cluttering your dashboard, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's get started. First off, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you find most comfortable to use. Head over to the search bar, type in Semrush, and hit Enter to search. You'll want to click on the official Semrush website, which should be one of the top results. Once there, the next thing you want to do is log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. This process is straightforward and quick, and once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the features including managing your projects. With access to your account, direct your attention to the dashboard. Here, you're going to look for the Projects section. It's usually a prominent option, making it easy to spot, so go ahead and click on it. You'll now be looking at a list of all the projects you've created or have access to. From this list, identify the specific project that you want to delete. Take your time to ensure you choose the correct one, as once deleted, recovery might not be feasible. After selecting the project you wish to remove, you'll notice a settings icon next to the project's name. It's typically represented by a small gear symbol. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. The option you're looking for is Delete. Go ahead and select it. At this point, Semrush is going to ask you for a deletion confirmation. This might involve typing in a specific code or a confirmation message. This step serves as a safeguard, making sure that no project is accidentally deleted. Once you've provided the necessary confirmation, a pop-up dialog box will appear. You're looking for a button labeled Delete, or something akin to that. Clicking this will finalize the deletion process. And there you go. Your project is now successfully deleted. By following these straightforward steps, you can keep your Semrush account organized and free of unnecessary clutter. It's always a good practice to periodically review your projects and remove those that no longer serve your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more practical tips and guides coming your way soon.